conjunction, there is ikra in sorry. I should. Huh? Can I listen? Okay, it is a subordinate conjunction. Why do we use it? It is used. It is used. It is used to join or connect. Reason class. Reason class with the result class. With result class. When we use when we use okay we use don't write before one time understand change comma words different change comma we use I'm just writing from my own side understand we use we use comma we use comma इस्तेमाल हो we use comma when we use because at the start of a sentence हम काम इस्तेमाल हो चुका when we use because at the start of a sentence हम काम इस्तेमाल हो पर इस्तेमाल हो चुका because will come from substantive I didn't for example I didn't come to the class because I was sick. I did not come to the class I didn't come to the class because I was under the weather. I did not come to the class because I was under the weather. Okay, listen. Because I was under the weather. Because what is that sentence because I was sick. I didn't come to the class. Come to the class. Understand? Okay. Listen, students, namaste class here. I was under the weather. Namasa reason class. Namaste class here. Reason class. Namaste class here. Namasa result class here. So class here. Result class here. Understand? Namasa class here. Because reason class here. Because I was sick. Namasa class here. Reason class here. Because class Vikas class. जब तक Vikas class हो गए तो because yes no yeah because I was sick. Now the reason class दिया. Now class दिया result इस तरह बोलते हो. I didn't come to the class. Because I was yes great outstanding because I was tired. I didn't make the main idea. Let's see. Okay, I went to my friend's party because he invited me. Because he invited me. Next example. Yes. Arya. Huh? Again, one. Speaker this way. It would be wrong. Okay, I failed the test because I didn't study. I failed the position also. Okay, I take first position because I study a lot. I study hard. Great, good, stand. Yes, I win. I win the hospital because I am sick. Listen, let me make understand. I studied hard. I studied studied related one. I studied hard. No, I passed the test. Yeah, I took position. I was the position because I studied hard. Because I studied hard, master related one. I took first position. Honestly, yeah, I got first position. Okay, sure. Stop writing. Stop writing. Today we are going to learn the most significant topics. You will face it in a lot of places. This is one that today we are going to learn should. According to grammar, it is a model auxiliary word. According to grammar, Ahmad. Any connection? Marwa, yes sir. Maria. According to grammar, should it is a model auxiliary word. It is a model auxiliary word. Listen to answer. It is used to indicate advice and mild obligation. Mild obligation. Listen to us. Whenever you want to give advice to someone, we should go for should. For example, you should come to the class. आपको क्लास आना चाहिए तो क्लास करा था यू शुड परफॉर्म प्रेयर लेकिन इसका बेसिकली एडवाइस होता है यू शुड परफॉर्म प्रेयर understand you should learn English this is not English is the one it is significant for you that is first important so listen to whenever you want to give suggestion whenever you want to give advice to someone or have obligation we should go for should understand one thing more you didn't ask this question from me. We can also use have to. Good job. Nice. Have to. Has to. Has to. And the next one is must. Listen to it. We use have to. Has to. Okay, just for your house. We'll read it, so see. I'm not going to read it, one letter. Sorry. Okay, so today, listen to sir. Should it is a model auxiliary word. Should what do we use? Should do what is the model? It is used to indicate advice or mind obligation. Mind means the way you are halka. जो halka से advice या halka से चाहता है करना जितना दरकार होगा obligation दरकार होगा. For example, you should perform prayer. This is the मुर्जिमा. Because mind obligation होता है यार. halka से होता है obligation होता है. पढ़ाई दिया. Understand ना? You should perform prayer. This is the मुर्जिमा. You should come to the class. This is the class तरह. So I'm going to give you advice. This is the command advice. Yes. Listen, sir. What is the difference between have done, has done, and must and should have? But this is the difference here. Listen, sir. The should चाहिए करना, the must चाहिए करना, the stronger than here. बेचारा the have done or the has done. Or the have done or has done stronger than the बेचारा the should. You understand right now? You must perform prayer. मतलब that चीजें की इन्हें सभी ऐसा सब नहीं चलेगा. तो मैं मुझे हम क्या? You must perform prayer 5 times in a day. You have to perform prayer 5 times a day. मतलब that चीज़ that 50% of that money वो कब चलेगा? जिससे का मुझे कवा. Okay, if I say you should perform prayer, मतलब that चीज़ हर का सब prayer एक मुझे कवा. लोग स्टार्ट हो कर रहे हैं. ठीक होगा नहीं? It's up to you. Okay, next come what gets started. The structure class here. All subject plus short plus word first one. Listen to result. Whenever we use model auxiliary word, so after model auxiliary word, we use the word based on. Understand? Chikana master the subject singular Russia. Even we have some singular subject. We do not use SESIS with a word. Whenever we have model auxiliary word before it. Chikana master model auxiliary word Russia, the subject master singular view. Then we give the SESIS. Do you understand? What was my point? That was my point of view. Huh? No, that was not must come point of view. Was not the point of view. The point is zero. She should learn why we do not use SASIS here. We have subject. Singular subject. Subject of singular क्या? जैसे कि हम SASIS नहीं ले लेंगे, AS नहीं लेंगे. हाँ. Then ignore that. This is sir. Whenever we use one auxiliary word इस्तेमाल को कम से कम singular word का SASIS में होगा. Understand? Let's come to the topic because it is a subordinating conjunction. You will come to know what is subordinating conjunction. You will come to know what it is. What is subordinating conjunction? What is co-conjunction? Understand coordinating conjunction. Okay, it is used to join a correct present clause with the result clause. This is sir. The because is I told you conjunction. This is Chicago. Conjunction it connects two words, two names, and two sentences. जैसे कि because the result plus और result plus मुझसे से दिया join करेगा. Listen to us. जैसे कि चीजें करना I did not come to the class. That was class दिया. That was result class दिया. Okay, because I was sick. So what? Because I was sick. जिसे बीमार हुआ. The reason से ये वो जिसे बीमार हुआ. Reason से क्या चलती कराने लगा? Class कराने लगा. The because चीजें करना मुझसे connect करें. इसे connect करें. Reason class जैसे तरह the result class. Understand? That's the join over the car and the connection over the car. Next time, sir, because I was sick. So someone बीमार हुआ. Listen to us, sir. Whenever we use because at the start of a sentence, because the starting इस्तेमाल को sentence, the starting इस्तेमाल को we use come. अति लोगों से इस्तेमाल को come. Because I was sick. So बीमार हुआ. I didn't come to the class. Why you didn't come to the class yesterday? Because I was sick. I didn't come to the class. So बीमार हुआ जगह से class. Understand? Any problem? Okay, students, open your books. Open your books.
Today I am watching my program. I'm watching my course Wood.
Sorry,
That's why 40 wood mini jungle. Up the below. Wood jungle are the wood here was just jungle. The particular which the word.
No. Okay, sisters, let's come for the book Uttarash here. Uttarash, hurry up. Open your books and take page number. Page number. Page number.
68.
Page number
68.
Presentation number 3. Presentation number 3. You will write it at the end of the class. Good luck. Presentation number 3. Presentation number 3. Your name? Ubaidullah. Ubaidullah is the action. Negative statement. Listen, students, whenever you want to make a negative provision, a negative juro, not what? Not. You should not speak English. You should not speak English. We should not come to the class on time. Or she should not learn the test. Understand? Negative assembly. Simple. Yeah. Okay, let's talk about the book. I need some money. You should go to the bank. If you see the card, you bank. Understand? Okay, listen. Last time I was working for a video. A video because listen, just whenever you go to a barber shop, there is a hair on a floor. You cannot go to barber shop and people who come to the whenever we go to garage, there is oil on a floor. And this is when you go to a bank, why there is no money on the floor? And the person come and see what it is. There was just killing video. There was just there was no going there. Come on, let me just read it. That's it, just read it. Shabas. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. Just read it right now.
Kids are trained. They should go to bed.
For example, doesn't is with urgent. The use will be upload the dozen, 1 dozen, 2 dozen, 3 dozen.
What's
No, what the work chicken work or Damasan is a work there. Kam karna.
Yes.
What kam karna. Let's just what the book that I share. Come on, that is there.
Not
Hurt means Dr. Warren isn't going to hurt Lisa. Dr. Warren chidekana agaba Lisa doesn't nikaya. Understand? It's going to structure chidekana. Good job. Scale meaning number 4. Scale meaning number 4. Say, interaction. Open say. In the boxes. Look at the first one. Liz wants a new job. Liz the word here. Liz the job word here. Or she searches the ads in the newspaper. Ads in the way of reaching her here. I'm going to take out the newspaper people here. Bob has to study here. Bob is the study. He shouldn't watch TV here. Our TV is not good. Study के लोग وشوف يوم تلي وستمان قلت أو فيديو ما يريد فيها يا بس تلي يا بس يا ستمان خلا أو فيديو ما يريد فيها ستمان قلت أو فيديو ما يريد فيها
सलमान आना सलमान में है जी लगा यार बुधा या मुंबई आ या ना यार तो चलो हमारे काम ही करना दिया कि वो
Okay, almond walnut. I choose it. I'm for it. Video. If you are listening, so it's not possible in a one channel. Okay.
yes sir
Okay, let's come toward problem number one in advice. Listen, sir. Bob has to study. Bob is a
Study.
we shouldn't watch TV. Let's come towards this page number 69, page number 69 here. The first one is problem, the second one is advice. Okay, Liz wants a new job. Who number you find it, Shabbos? She should check the ads in the newspaper. Outstanding, word, good job. Okay, 2 number. Bob has to study. He should not watch TV. He should not watch TV. Negative. Understand negative. Negative की जो से पाठ देगा और आप बहुत से प्रकार की स्टडी पता देगा लोग टीवी में ज्यादा भूल गया Sam has a toothache. He should go to the dentist. Dentist is what's it
they need exercise
Okay, they need exercise. Shabbos. They should not say outstanding, verb, good job. Really nice. The rest there is you have to read for yourself. I don't follow me now. Communication activity. And what interaction? Giving advice. Friend has advice using simple purpose.
what mean of the name you want
Okay, this is just a communication gap. What they are saying that talk about a problem you have or a friend has. The next all the students will give advice using should or shouldn't. Listen, students, you have to share your feelings in front of your friends, full feelings, full love or the share के our friend को तो क्या मशवरा बता दी तो तुम doubt का for example I have toothache समझ से ये बगास मिल गया you should go to the doctor you should not eat candies सच में क्या कैसे होगा you should go to the doctor then you will watch the मतलब you should not negative होगा the same like this you have to practice right now that was practice for you come on Maria Maria I don't want to study more here inside the class. I don't know. No, my heart doesn't want to study in the class. I'm not going to study in the class. But I don't know. I don't know. Understand? Can't about a problem you have or friend has. You make a situation. Your friends are absent. Abdullah, do you understand? Usually. Why? For example, Matu hai Shabbos, I have headache. Matu hai Masar मान कर दिया. I have headache. Huh? You should take a Panadol. You should take Panadol. Panadol. You should take Panadol. Okay, for instance, good. Listen, Mansoor, I have headache. I have headache. You should go to the doctor. Yeah, you should take a Panadol. You should take a Panadol. Okay, listen, Muzamil, I want to play soccer. You should go to the stadium. Outstand is super. Okay, yes, yes, Abdullah. I want to sleep. I want to sleep. You should go to bed outside. The same like this. ये होता है वो किसी को जोड़ की आवाज से एडवाइस करता है पीछे लगा कर अंडरस्टैंड का टू प्रेडिक्ट करंट प्रेडिक्ट
I want to
pronunciation number 6
सवाल वही लगे कस ने बताओ सिंग लगे तब उससे देखें
I have headache. जमा पसंद I have headache.
जाओ
Huh? You should take
one question for your bed.
Okay.
I want to punch on upset.
Want to punch him on?
No,
No, you shouldn't. Because he is fed here. Because he is fed here. First, you have to go to gym. First, you have to join gym. Understand? First, you have to make your muscle fat here. Afterwards, you can fight it. Good job? Okay, pronunciation number 6. Pronunciation number 6. Also, the direction. Repeat these words. Okay, repeat it after me. Number 5. On, drop, lock, quadrant, operator, melody, large, apartment, father, restaurant, on the job, not a problem, a marvelous part, a lot of bottles, he is stopping the car here, her father is a doctor, the tacos are hot now, the apartment is not modern, presentation number 7. Presentation number 7. What will be the direction? Statement will be because. Listen, students, I just taught this topic to you. The because topic of the Mapusu is used to join our connector reason class with the result class. Understand? We use comma when we use the because at the start of our sentence. Come on, read these sentences. The sentence is to read this out. Come on, Sarya. Hurry up. Hurry up. Scale meaning number 8. Scale meaning number 8. Obey the last direction. Hurry up. Obey the last.
Make a sentence with the word using one sentence from the first box and one from the second.
One from the second one.
These are great
Cavities.
because she did not take care of her teeth.
Okay. Who can translate it for me? That was not too good. Yes, sir. Header person header. These are head back cavities. Naflo makuli permane kala. She just take care of her teeth. Naflo makuli permane kala. That is why she had a cavities in her teeth. Hurry up. Okay, we will pick pick up one sentence from the first box and we will pick up one sentence from the second box. Let me pick up the second one from the first one. Gloria is not at school today.
Because she is sick or she
Yes?
because she was not feeling well.
Because she is sick. Outstanding. Because she is sick. Okay, third one. Kid wants a calculator.
He
Because he likes to do math problems fast. Outstanding. Good job. Superb. Do you understand? Good job. You hurry up. Gloria is not Gloria because she was not doing well.
because she was not well.
Because she is sick. Because she is sick. Are you done with it?
Yes, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Doesn't it actually? Yes, Safia. Got it? Very good. Maria, listen. Are you ready? Look in here. We will pick up one sentence from this box and we will pick up one sentence from this box. Your sentence पर दिन रहा हुआ यो पर दिन रहा हुआ दिन जरा जो बड़ा बात इससे idea होते हैं idea तरह का same बना देगा. For example गुरखान take one a calculator. This no Maria calculator हो रही है. This no Maria. हाँ? Because he likes to do math problems for us. Understand?
Yes, sir. It is sweet.
It wants the word it wants a calculator. It wants the word because he likes to do math problems faster. Okay, this is what Lisa enjoys walk to school. Lisa, अच्छा तक किलावन किया. Lisa enjoys. अच्छा तक किलावन किया.
Because he likes to end the exercise.
Huh? Because
He did not want
no.
a good exercise.
Lisa enjoys walking to school. Just school because they didn't want to be no.
They don't like to wait.
Because they played well. Understand? Good. Because they played well. Mike plays soccer. Mike to play soccer. Because he likes it and it is good for exercise. You understand? Kushali. Good job. Sir, you understand? If you open, why did you not your book? Okay, yes, Mozambique, here have you been? Yes, you were absent yesterday.
Yeah, so I know.
We should call it again. We should call it again. Call it again. I just saw tomorrow is Friday. Okay, be ready for quiz number 1 and 2 tomorrow. Okay, we don't have quiz number 1 and 2. No, that's impossible. How will you check it? Not at all. I'll check it myself. Okay, this is my responsibility. Attendance. Okay, give attendance one more time. Today Anwar, Maria, Muzammil, Muzammil, you are not representing.
Yes, sir. He
Why
is
is
not
not in the class?
He is not
Why is not in the class? You are safe.
He is robbery. Sir, it's very
It's white lie. How is it possible that you are absent for 5 or 10 days? More than 5 days. Is it possible that a person can be sick? I swear, believe me, I was sick up. Allah, I was sick up. I came to the class. The Dimana movie, I'm not. Even I couldn't stay here, then to the redemption.
Sir, I am innocent.
And despite of it, I was coming to the class. There's not because of this. That's why it's not the because now we can take anything up. Even I director, even the Salman, he didn't tell me something, not the finish. And despite of it, I was coming. I was doing the I didn't want to say now. That's what I don't know. Where? You are in study. Okay, Stella. Habibullah. Habibullah.
Absent. Sir,
Jawad.
I wanna.
Sanil. Zaman. Ahmad. After.
Yes, sir.
Sinat. Mansoor.
Sir, I want to attend.
Mansoor. Rabia. Rabia. Aisha. Fatma. Ayan. Afrin. Ayan. Ayan. Why is it not in the class? I think he was Abdullah.
Yes.
Abdurrahman. Okay, Mohammed Zaid. Mustafa. Good job. Nice. Okay, sit down. Okay, so, come on.
After 6 days, and they will give the 2 months.
After 6 days.
And now, the time goes fast.
We are here only 15 days. 15 days.
Sir, the time is going fast.
I don't care about the time. I just care about you. Understand? Understand? On Saturday, you have to deliver a topic. Whatever that is, just prepare a topic. You have to talk about Imam, you have to talk about the world circumstances, you have to talk about Gaza, you have to talk about current situation, current affairs, you have to talk about you can do it, you have to talk about education, you have to talk about education, you have to talk about mathematics, whatever that is. Whatever it is on Monday, you have to deliver a topic of. Only you can stay here for 3 minutes, 3-4 minutes, more than 4 minutes. You can take more than 4 minutes time. In the agreement is no exact time of here, but not this. Understand? So you have to deliver a topic, whatever it is. So early topic. I don't have any concern with it. I don't have any limitation. No, you have to present it on the on-site. That's what I'm doing. Understand? This is the time for you and make your while the sun shines, you are having a great opportunity to try to take benefit from it. Understand? Okay, just wait one second. Okay. Wait one second. Where right now? Where right now? Just take a borrow from someone. Take a borrow from someone. No. Pay right now to something. Pay fine. I think pay right now. Pay 100 rupees fine. Pay 100 rupees fine. What? Tell us. You change it. Give him what is he? Okay, listen. In hot water means, for instance, if I say I'm in hot water, I am in trouble. I am in trouble. Because मुश्किल की कारण तो sir, I'm in hot water. Nowadays I'm in hot water. then सवाल से तो मुश्किल है. I'm in hot water. Hot water. In hot water. Yes. I do. Yes, I do. Never in ambient air. Never in ambient air. Okay, it's been a minute. It's been a minute. मतलब यार जियो का नंबर शुरू था तो ये बस लाल तार बाद कोई करना टोटली है. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. It is been. Understand. The present perfect continuous tense इस्तेमाल का. I always find for certain number study को उस क्लास में for 1 hour. I will study for English for 1 hour. You give me study 2 months. जब पास स्टार्ट से present तरह और present को जारी किया. मैं आज मैंने आपको future तो future तो बदला जाएगा क्या बदला दिया. फिर study हो रहे. Okay. Okay, it's been a minute मतलब है कि I met you after a long time, didn't I? So thanks so much. Have a nice day. Let's